up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous. Today we are out in the garage with the nasty red 12 valve. Those of you who are stopping in for the first time, this is Loud and Proud. This is where it's happening. We are the fastest growing diesel truck channel on the YouTube platform currently, and we are going places. Now, I am not a diesel mechanic, so I'm not going to own up to being that type of person on this channel. However, we do some fun activities here and there. We work on the trucks when we can. We try to get some stuff done, and we've also got some big events coming up. Very excited to let you know that we are giving away a 12 valve Cummins, and there are actually going to be 2 trucks for you guys to choose from when the giveaway takes place. You guys are going to have to stay around and find out. I'm scheduled actually to pick up one of the trucks in 11 days from now. So very excited. I can't wait to do this, and it's going to be awesome because the person who wins the giveaway is going to have their option between a 5-speed 12 valve manual or a built automatic. They're both going to be different, so it's just going to be based on preference whether you would go manual or automatic. And I'm super stoked to let you guys know that that is happening very soon. I'm also very excited to tell you that we are going to be passing 50,000 subscribers within the next 3 to 5 days. So I am extremely excited about that. Guys, it hasn't been quite a year. We've been doing YouTube for 9-ish and a half months. And man, I think we're going to be but really close to 60,000 subscribers by the time we hit 1 full year on the channel. And you guys made 2017 an absolutely incredible, 2017 and part of 2018 and an incredible 1 year on the channel. I mean, it's been a crazy ride, and I've been just extremely thankful and blessed to be able to have such an audience to come back day after day and support my dream and what I'm doing. And I'm just very glad to have you guys here and to be a part of that. So anyways, enough of that stuff. Let's get into the truck stuff. So I just finished up the rear valve springs. Yes, I just went ahead and did that this morning because I'm like, you know, I'm not even going to start the intro until I have some kind of good news for him, because just because we have the part in the new retainers doesn't necessarily mean that was going to go so smooth. So after about 4 tries of getting those retainers in there, finally made it happen, and they're locked in and they are doing lovely in there. We did get a new compressor, by the way, yesterday, but that video, it just wasn't exciting for me, so I just didn't post it. Right back there, if you guys can see that. Well, focus. The camera's not one of the focus, so I can't show you. Anyways, but the 2 valve springs on cylinder 6 back there are done, and they are taken care of. The push rods are in. Now all I have to do is get the rocker pedestal on there with the head stud put down in there, and then that one's done. And then we're going to be able to do the head studs that are right behind that, and then come forward and underneath this blanket, complete the last set of valve springs, push rods, and head studs, and we're good to go. And with all kinds of excitement happening, it's been crazy. So the Nasty Red should be able to be started up again, hopefully this weekend. No guarantees, but I'm hoping before the weekend hits, we are going to be able to have this truck started up and running. And then the only thing to do next is, under the hood at least, is the compound turbo system. And I already well, I guess I didn't explain it in yesterday's video because I didn't post the video, but I was kind of explaining, I'm not sure if my dad's gonna have me or Jacob, me help Jacob or us, or if we're going to install the compound turbo system, or if he's going to take it somewhere to get done. I don't know. It's his truck. It's his choice, what he wants to do with it. But I know when I get my truck, I'm just going to do everything under the hood myself is the plan. Everything from the compounds, just everything. That's what I'm going to do. With his truck, whatever he says goes on it. So that's just kind of how we're going to do it. We just have to check the valve lash. We're probably going to try to do that tomorrow. I'm going to be up tonight trying to research that kind of stuff, as well as a lot of other stuff I have going on. And try to figure that out for tomorrow so we can get the valve lash set. And then hopefully after that, we can then attempt to start at the truck. We'll see. You never know. There's always some little small hiccups that could hit along the way, but that's the plan. So we're just going to continue on the truck right now. We're going to continue getting some head studs done. We're going to get the rest of the valve springs and push rods done, and then this is going to be pretty much all studded. All the valve springs and push rods, everything's going to be done hopefully today. So let's get to that right now.
I just wanna keep
Well, everybody, I am pleased to say that we are done with the valve springs, push rods, and head studs, and I know it kind of took about a week due to dropping apart. The build nonetheless got back on the way, and we are getting things done, and this truck should be running very, very soon. Again, everything completed, and I did retorque everything 1 through 26 on the head studs following that sheet, which you would look at like that, and this side being the intake manifold and this side being the exhaust manifold. And when you get to this head stud, which is the last one, 26, this little band clamp, you have to kind of loosen it, rotate it out of the way so you can get out of that head stud, and then you can rotate it back and tighten it down once you've retorqued. Everything's back in and good. We're gonna hang on to those extra retainers because you never know at this point. You never know if you can drop one and need another one, so we're gonna bag those up and keep them in the barn here in a place we won't lose them. The next thing though on the list is going to be checking valve lash. So if you guys have any tips for me, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. It has something to do with this nut right here on all of these, having it set to a certain standard, but I don't know what you're looking for, but there's really zero, except for in this one there's a little bit of wiggle room, and that's because Jacob had loosened up this one and this here because he said we were going to have to reset valve lash. Everything is perfect, but that's the only one that has any movement, and all the rest are firm in place, so I don't know if that's good or bad, but yeah, so if you guys have any helpful comments on that, regarding that, definitely let me know. Like I said in the beginning, a lot of big stuff coming up, 50K, gonna try to do a burnout video for you guys at 50K, but then we got all that stuff done. Giveaway truck is coming in just less than 2 weeks, one of the giveaway trucks. I'll show you guys the full reveal of the whole manual and auto situation, and I'll explain that whole situation here very soon. You guys are going to be stoked. Finally moving forward with Nasty Red again. This truck is going to be wrapped up very, very soon. And when I say wrapped up, I don't mean done, because of course you guys know how these builds go, and they're never done. They're always going to keep on going, and there's going to be all kinds of different stuff when it comes to headlights and bumpers and just all kinds of stuff, you know. It doesn't really ever end. And then compound turbo system, and you guys get the idea. One more thing before we close out this video, definitely go and check the modification list in the description below. It sends you to all the DAP parts directly and any other accessories and modifications that we have on this truck or any of the other trucks that we have done on camera. Typically we have the modifications in the description below. So if you guys are looking for any kind of accessories, the horsepower parts, anything you see on these trucks that we may have done on video, definitely check out the modification list in the description below, and it'll send you directly to those products. So thank you guys so much. Share this video if you enjoyed it. Leave your likes down below. Let's get this video past 700 likes. Subscribe if you are new. Join the team. Join the family. And one more thing. I'm doing a cash giveaway. $500 cash could be yours. What do you guys have to miss? You spend as little as $10 and you guys could get entered to win $500 cash or a $500 shopping spree on me. So whether you guys want headlights, tail lights, you guys want a horsepower product for your truck, whatever it is, it's $500 or lower. I will get you guys whatever you want if you guys win the drawing. So guys, definitely go check out that merch store, link in description. I was repping my merch, but it was just so warm I had to take it off in the garage here. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely get in on that giveaway if you have not done so yet. It ends in a couple of days, and I would hate to see you guys miss out on such a good opportunity, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I've been doing things that they told me I could never do now. Never do, I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told them it's my turnout. They in the club and I'm in the studio. Guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out.